Mathaa manini thutha wa Sharon Otieno uria urari murutwo university-ini ya Rongo kaunti-ini ya Migori kuonekana uragitwo na mwiri wake ugateo mutitu-ini. Ruhonge rwa uthuthuria ni rutumite maabitha uthuthuria wa njuragano gwika uthuthuria na gwethana na aria maratabanirie giko giki. Ikinya riri rigiuka ndagika nini thutha wa mwaria wa thirikari Thirikari kurekereria ndumiriri ikiuga giko giki ni giguthuthurio na aria mekunyitikana maitia matacokirio makinya ma kiwatho. Kurerikana Sharon marabire kunyitwo migwate hamwe na mwandiki umwe wa mohoro uria urahotire gwithara na thutha ucio mwiri wake woneka mutitu-ini wa Kondera kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay, gikuo kiria gikuruhanitie Ngavana wa kaunti ya Migori Okoth Obado. Ndeto eno ikihithuka kuma kuri andu a nyumba yake aria maugite arari muritu mieri 7 na yatharikire no irarongoreirie mwandiki umwe wa mohoro uria marari nake, na thutha wa mwandiki ucio wa mohoro gwithara ngero iragwirira Sharon. Gukiri uguo, abunge a Nyanza matongoretio ni murugamiri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Migori Pamela Odhiambo na murunawe wa Homa Bay Gladys Wanga ni moretio uthuthuria kwambikwo na aria othe mekunyitikana matacokirio makinya gutekumakania na gikiro kia mundu.
We call upon all the investigative agencies including DCI, EACC to take this matter with the agency and the seriousness that it deserves and establish the truth and bring to book the culprits of this evil act and its accomplices.
It does not matter if you are MP, governor, president, it does not matter who you are, nobody deserves to take away the life of another person. So we want the person involved in this matter and the real person. We don't want other small fish to be carried into this thing. We want the real person involved in this matter arrested and charged with the murder of Sharon.
All the girls in secondary school, colleges, universities, we are appealing to you. It is okay that you are a student. However humble a background you have, it is important that you accept that and just be a student. If we did that, we would save ourselves a lot of trouble.
Kungi nakuo kiama kia mawakiri ni kiuritie thirikari kugacirithia ugitiri kuri mawakiri thutha wa ndeto kuithuka ati wakiri wa Idris Mukhtar Charles Kanjama arari umwe wa aria mararongoirie kuragwo ni gukorwo arugameire family iyo cira-ini.
We are outraged by these threats leveled against the life of one of our own and are deeply concerned by the practice environment that advocates in Kenya have to endure. Our fears are further heightened by the sudden death of one of the key suspects, David Mwai, in Mukhtar's attempted assassination under unclear circumstances.
Obado ni gavana wa keri gukuruhanio na giko kia uragani thutha wa murunawe alikorani wa Garissa kugwetwo njuragano-ini ya Idris Mukhtar. Hatu-ini Hakame TV, njitha kama wa Mwagi.